Hello, welcome to your West Network's Yealink training videos. My name is Amber, and today I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of your new T42S Yealink phone. This segment will show you how to reach your voicemail from a phone that is not yours. Now I'll show you how to check your voicemail when you are away from your phone. I'm going to do this on speaker so you can hear the options. Dial 99999, that's 5 nines. Wait for the prompt.
Please enter personal identification number, then press pound.
Simply press pound without entering your personal identification number.
Please enter extension number.
Now enter your extension number, even if it is not the phone that you are on.
Please enter personal identification number, then press pound. You have no messages. Press star to play. Press 9 for options. To exit, press pound. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, and I hope you found these informational segments helpful. If you need any further support, please contact us at support@westnetworks.com or call 352-316-7704.